Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to study the special relativities. By studying the light electromagnetism very carefully, Einstein started a new branch of physics, relativities. You might be excited to learn one of the most famous equations in science, E equals mc squares, in this lecture. First topic is the ethers, and second topic is the Michelson-Morley experiment. Then special relativities, the Lorentz transformations, and the last topic is relativistic quantities. First topic is ethers. Wave propagate in mediums. For example, the figure shows a wave propagates on the surface of waters. In this case, water is a medium. I'm speaking right now. My voice propagates in space. In these situations, air is a medium for voice. We consider a medium for light. Such a medium is called ethers. Light propagates in vacuums and transparent matters. Ethers should exist in vacuum and matters as well. So people try to find the speed of the Earth relative to ethers because the Earth is rotating around the Sun with a rotational speed of the 30 km per second. And our solar system is rotating around the center of the galaxies with a rotational speed of the 250 km per second. Earth moves relative to the Sun and the center of the galaxies. We try to measure the velocity of the Earth relative to the ethers. So our Earth should move with respect to the ethers if ether remains with respect to the center of the universe. So Michelson and Morley try to measure such a speed, relative speed of the Earth with respect to the ethers.